Hey neighbor, BigBen Thiessen here with Remax Executives and welcome to Point Douglas. That's right, we're in my neighborhood today. And right behind me here we've got 91 Lusted Avenue. This is a fantastic location. We're a few houses down from Norquay School, that's an elementary school. And at the end of the street we've got Norquay Community Center, which is attached to Michelle Jean Park, which is on the river. So as far as access goes, great accessibility in this area. Behind me here, we're dealing with a duplex. It's a 2-story, completely separated down the middle, so you've got full basements on both sides. This property is situated on a wide lot. It's got many updates. It's got updated electrical, it's updated roof, new paint throughout, and it's fully vacant, so you can pick your own tenants. One of the things I love about 91 Lusted is it's completely separate utilities. So gas and electricity are completely separate. Both have forced air furnaces, and guess what? Manitoba Hydro pilot program qualifies this house automatically for it. So you can put brand new furnaces in this property for only $570 per unit. And you can fully update any insulation that's required on that property for free. That's right guys, I got that contact for you. But let's talk about where I am. I walked like 8 houses down. I'm at Michelle Jean Park. Norquay Community Center is right behind me. We've got a fantastic play structure area. You've got a splash pad. You've got like a legitimate basketball court they just built a few years ago. Right behind me here, they do the hockey rink in the winter. And we've got the community bake oven right here. So that's a fantastic thing that's going on. Beautiful walking trail here, right on the river. And you move in here, you're probably gonna see me walking with my little pupper Wyatt. Well, I guess that's gonna conclude our tour here of 91 Lusted and I guess Point Douglas. If you're anyone you know has any questions, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. There's an old lady that is sanding something, and I think she's sanded it like 15 times, and she's just going to keep sanding with that electric sander. Hmm.